So we are doing page 4, number 2. So with page 4, the company's profit function is given by the function p of x is equal to negative 3x squared plus 18x, where p of x is the profit in dollars and x is the number of units produced in thousands. Assuming the company wants to maximize profits, how many units should they produce? So there are two ways to do this, the calculator and non-calculator, so I'm going to show you both. Let's do the calculator first. Step 1 is you're going to plug function into calculator. So you're going to plug function into your calculator. So let's do that. First we're going to go from our mode to just regular old function mode. Then we're going to go for y1, we're going to do the function 3x squared, negative 3x squared plus 18x. Alright, and we need to find the maximizing profit. So p of x, the y output of this function is going to be profits. So we need to find a maximum. So we're going to go to second calc. We're going to calc a maximum. Alright. So when we calc your maximum, we're going to pick a point that is left bound. We're going to pick a point that is right bound. And then we're going to take a guess on the maximum point. And we have a maximum of 2.99 and a y value of 27. Let's zoom in just so we can see a little bit better. So let's do that again. Here are maximums around where x value is about 3 and our y value is 27. Now let's read the question critically. P of x is the profit, so that's going to be our y value, and x is the number of units produced in thousands. So x, so that's going to be our x value, our input. And so our x value is the number of units produced in thousand. So at a maximum, if our x value is 3, the units produced is the x value times 1,000. So units produced is going to be equal to 3 times 1,000, which is equal to 3,000. Alright, so that's getting the x value from your calculator. But also, I should teach you, you should know how to find the maximum of the hyperbola without your calculator. So we're just going to quickly do some completing the square in order to find the vertex of the parabola. So you can say p of x, our first step was going to factor out that negative 3 is equal to negative 3 times x squared minus 6x. Then we're going to complete the square. So we're going to have p of x is equal to negative 3 times x squared minus 6x, and then 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. So plus 9, so that means we also add a 9 on the right-hand side, but that 9 has a coefficient of negative 3, so we multiply that 9 by negative 3 here. So we have negative 27 plus p of x, and then we can factor out this term right here is going to be equal to negative 3 times negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, so that's going to be x minus 3 squared. So lastly, we can say p of x is equal to negative 3 times x minus 3 squared plus 27, and that gives us our vertex, aka maximum, at 327. So the production is going to be x value equals 3 times 1000 equals 3000. So that's showing you how to do it for both with your calculator and without your calculator. Alright, have a great day.